Hey guys, I'm showing you these glass bottles. This is used for the spray, and you can see it comes in two separate packs, so one in each. These are the glass bottles that I can feel of. So two colors, and you can see this is the blue color of the bottle and the green color. The sizes are in the corner. This is really nice glass bottles that looks really cool. Just fill in the water in this and you are almost done with that. So this is on and off button that you can see. So you press this on and off, so it will lock, and you open, it will start. This is nearly cool, like that it you can just close it off. Design is really good. And when you see the spray, so see the spray pattern I'm showing you on the paper right now. So how this spray pattern is coming is like a mist. No, it will not come any spray. So let me open this again, and then you can see the mist water. So just putting in the flowers and see like how the kids play with it. It's pretty good for the kids to play and use it because it is lightweight.